Hello! Welcome to All About Mai. Today we're going to cook beef caldereta. It's the Philippine version of the world famous beef stew. Here in France, they have a famous beef stew too, which is called beef bourguignon, but usually cooked with red wine. We will do that next time. Beef caldereta's ingredients are bell pepper, potatoes, carrot, liver spread, and tomato sauce. Beef caldereta is one of my favorite food and is almost present in most of the Philippine celebrations and fiestas. So, let's cook! And then we will saute the garlic. We will let it cook a bit. Then we put some onions. Almost all of the food in the Philippines are cooked with onions and garlic. Then we will put the beef. We will cook the meat for a bit, just until it turns golden brown. Now that the meat is turned light brown, we will put some pepper. And then we will add the tomato sauce. Add the liver spread. After 1.5 hours, and when the beef is cooked, we will add the potatoes and the carrots. And we will let it cook for 10 minutes or until the carrots and the potatoes are cooked. Okay, the carrot and the potatoes are cooked, so we will put the bell pepper and we will let it cook. Now it's cooked. My caldereta version. Kain tayo!